I welcome you all. Today we are going to start with the next J component, that is JTree. This JTree class is generally used to display the tree structure data or hierarchical data on your screen. It is generally referred as a complex component. Why it is complex component? Because it is having root node at the topmost, and after the root node we have to add other child nodes as a sub nodes to this root node. It generally inherits J component class. For creation of this J-tree, we have to use constructors. So four constructors we may use here. The first constructor having object of hash table. Directly you can create hash table and object of hash table will be passed as a parameter for the first constructor. Second constructor having object of vector. We can create vector and pass the object of vector class. Next one is constructor having parameter of tree node. Tree node we have to create one by one and we have to add it. And the next constructor having object O, object of node, subnodes we have to add. So this is our swing component J tree. For creation of this J tree, we have to follow some steps. First step we have to follow that we have to create object for J tree class. After creation of J tree class, we have to use or we have to create object of J scroll pen. This J scroll pen, on this J scroll pen, we have to add object for tree. After adding tree on JScrollPen, we have to add object of JScrollPen on your applet. So these four steps compulsory we have to follow for creation of JTree. In diagram, we can see here a tree structure is generated. At very top, we can see object style named as style. In this first top node, root node, we may see two subnodes, that is color and font. Under this color, four subnodes, child nodes are created, that are red, blue, black and green. So this is the general tree structure that we have to create. Now we will see how to write down program for this J tree. For writing of J tree program, very first I have imported four packages or general R packages, that is for AWT, for Swing and for Applet. So these packages I have imported here. Now I have written here applet code. After writing applet code, I have written a class, that is public class tree extends JApplet. In this JApplet means JApplet is extended by my class tree. In this, I have created object of class JTree. JTree equal to tree. Tree is my object for class JTree. In this, I have written method, init method, that is for initialization purpose. In this initialization of applet, I have created object for container. Object container is my class, CP is my object. For creation of this object, I have to use method get content pen. And on this container I am going to set layout, that is border layout. Now I have to create nodes for my tree. For creating nodes of tree, I have to use class, that is default mutable tree node class. For creation of every node from the tree, I have to use class, that is default mutable tree node. So first I am going to create root node, top node. So default mutable tree node top equal to new default mutable tree node having name as a options. So this is my top node is created. Under this top node, now I'm going to create my subnodes. The first subnode I'm going to create named as A. So how to create it? Default mutable tree node A is the object equal to new default mutable tree node having name A. String is passed, that is name of the subnode. Now this subnode A will be added under root node, that is top node. Under this node, A node, I have to add or I have to create two subnodes, two child nodes, that is node A1 and A2. For creation of this A1 and A2, again I'm using the same class, that is default mutable tree node. So default mutable tree node A1 equal to new default mutable tree node in bracket A1 will be the name on my A1, and this A1 will be added under A. So how to add? A dot add in bracket A1. Now I will create A2. For creation of A2, default mutable tree node A2 equal to new default mutable tree node. Name will be A2 and this A2 will be added under A. So for adding purpose, A dot add A2. So now I have added this A1 and A2 under node A, and A is added under node top. So this is the way I can generate my hierarchy. Now one more subnode I am going to create, that is node B. This is the subnode for my root node. So for creation of this subnode, I am going to use again the same class default mutable tree node B equal to new default mutable tree node double quotes B. So this B will be added under root node to top dot add in bracket B. B is my object. Under this B, again I have added or I have created two objects, that is B1 and B2, and this B1 and B2 is added under node B node. So here for hierarchy I have created one top node, one root node, that is top. Under this top node, I have created two subnodes, that is A and B. Under A, I have created two child nodes A1 and A2, and under subnode B, I have created B1 and B2. So this is the general hierarchy I have generated for my J tree. Now whatever root node I have created, that root node be added on my object of JTree, that is tree equal to new JTree, and here I have passed object for tree node, that is top. Now I have to add this JTree on my JScrollPen. For adding on JScrollPen, I have initialized my two variables V and H. V is for vertical scroll bar, H is for horizontal scroll bar, and for this purpose I have used constant int V equal to scrollpen constants dot vertical scroll bar as needed, int h equal to scroll pane constants dot horizontal scroll bar as needed. So two constants I have generated as a variables. Now I am going to pass these variables to object of jscrollpane. How to add? Jscrollpane jsp equal to new jscrollpane in bracket. The first is my component, that is tree component, and after that second parameter is vertical scroll bar and third parameter is horizontal scroll bar. So this is the way I have created jscrollpane, and this jscrollpane will be added on my container object. So cp is my container object dot add method having first is jsp jscrollpane, and where it is added border layout dot center. So this is the way I can write program for my JTree. Now I am going to run this program. So how to run this program? For running of this program, I am going to use, first I am going to compile my program. So by compilation, javac tree.java, javac name of the program tree.java. After compilation of program, I will use applet viewer for running of program. So here my program is run. See here, we can see here applet window. This is my applet window. On this applet window, one root node is created named as options. Under this root node, two subnodes are created, A and B. So these two subnodes are created under root node options. We have added two child nodes also. So when I click on A1 and A2 child nodes are created under A, and B1 and B2 are created under child under subnode B. So this is the way we can create J tree in Swing.